Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Start up our 76 F150 here. You can see it's got little custom steering wheel on it. Sounds good. Oil pressure. Gas gauge just above E. There's a stereo. Heater fan. Wipers work. Horn does not work.
Cleanliness.
There's the stereo.
Cleanliness is next to godliness.
Blinker to the left.
Go ahead, Tucker, you're on roll.
Blinker to the right.
And evil is characterized by their opposites. Violence, hate, disorder, division, disorganization.
Dome light, yep, dome light works. So I think the only thing that doesn't work is the horn. Headers on it, power steering, power brakes, there you can hear the engine, sounds good. Runs nice and smooth. Got the aftermarket headlights. Tail lights, license plate light. So everything except for the horn works, sounds good with the headers and dual exhaust.
Totally fraudulent debates. We are using the terms that we use to make
A little bit of a dead spot there. So there you go. Any questions? 605-695-7391.